I would be lying to you guys if I said my MazdaSpeed 3 was in perfect condition, because it's totally the opposite of that right now. And I mean, you guys can look at this thing and I mean, it looks okay, but we need to go over this thing because I've been kind of neglecting it. I'm not gonna lie. So if you guys remember, this car used to have air suspension on it, and I actually took that off last year, replaced it with coilovers, and I replaced wheels and put on some RPF ones. I actually removed a few things from that car, including the rear diffuser, and it's looking a bit more plain now. I did put cheap coilovers on it, and I did also put a set of RPF ones on it that had older tires, and they're actually a little bent. Now, I do need to make a quick disclaimer for the future buyer of this vehicle, because I know I'm going to be watched when I'm selling this car, and they're gonna say, wow, you didn't maintain that car. This is all cosmetic, so do not use this video as a, will you take $5 grand off the asking price? Let's go ahead. I'm gonna show you everything that's going on with this Speed right now and how we're gonna resolve this. Also, I wanna show you guys something real quick. These MazdaSpeed 3 shirts, I have a few of these left. These are available at skillsupply.com. Designed and shipped out by your very own. Up there for you guys to check out. It's time for a new drop soon. Let's go see what's going on with the Speed 3 right now. Alright, so here is everything that I am fully acknowledged. Both rear wheels are bent, which is whatever, that's not a big deal. The side skirt paint has unfortunately not lived. The thing is with these side skirts is, I mean, the car sits pretty low with these, as I scrape these like crazy over speed bumps, and these are never any safe. And I think that's where this paint chipping came in, so these need to be repainted to run on another car. Front lip, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will know I've had really bad luck with the front lip on this car. It's first off last year when I went to Stanford's and I was coming home. I tore the front lip off actually, and I rubbed a hole right through it, and then the paint started to chip off the fronts. And I went for a cruise not too long ago, and I smoked a tow strap that was sitting in the middle of the road, and it actually managed to destroy itself. So I have cut it. I actually sent out some cut off pieces in a couple of the Skilled Supply orders as kind of like a little joke, but this is how the car sits right now. Not great. Coming up front here, we look at the windshield. The windshield was cracked last year. Unfortunately, when I was getting an alignment done, I left the alignment shot. I had a big window chip, and then it turned into a big crack, and it has gotten bigger, so the windshield needs to be replaced at some point. That is all cosmetically wrong with the car right now. And then to add salt to the wounds, my alignment's off from when I put the coilovers in from my air suspension. So the car does pull a little bit. It doesn't pull, it kind of drives straight, but the wheels are off to the left, so it kind of makes it a pain in the ass to doing like pulls and torques here. Now, I won't be fixing this today because this car's going to go through another little bit of a transformation, so I don't want to do the alignment just yet. And the windshield obviously will get done off camera at another time. But and while that is everything cosmetically wrong with it, this thing is very dusty. We have been having some crazy pollen and allergy season here in Canada to do with spring. So it needs a wash. We are going to take care of this car and make it look 100 times better by getting rid of everything that looks messed up, which includes the front lamp and the side skirts. Those are going to come off. This is going to get a wash, and hopefully it looks a little bit better than it does right now. So the side skirts will be very simple to get off because they're just self-tapered underneath. So I just need to go along and unscrew these now. The front bumper, however, because I was having issues with it popping off, I actually, like, you know, mounted it. I would say mounted it properly, but it looks like it seems to have made itself a little bit loosey than what it was originally. So the under tray is going to come off to get this out, but regardless, let's go ahead and get all that gone. So because we're just hanging out today and just, you know, kind of doing this stuff, this is a friendly reminder to not remember or to not believe everything you see on the internet. Not everything is sunshine and rainbows like we can persuade it to be. Oh God. So take this out. The skirts are off. and you can already see it. 8 speed bumps like crazy, to the point where the paint came off the speed bumps, which is insane because these are just plastic. But I mean, like, these would like sit on the speed bumps, scrape along them. It was insane. So we are officially dirt nasty low, or were, and these are going to go to a new home. Oh, what's up, dude? I hate working on the car in the rain. I hate working on the car in the summer. Yes. This is kind of making me sad because, like, honestly, this lip has been through so much shit. It's not even funny. Like, you guys don't even know it. It's been dragged off. It's been torn into my wheel well. It's been, like, literally has plowed through shit before. But honestly, that's $100. So now this really reminds me of this car when it was 2024 of fall, when I had the Racing Heart wheels on it. Now those wheels fit this car a little bit better, but I had pretty much a good wheel setup, a good ride height, no front lip, and no side skirts. However, we are big hood scoop right now compared to that time, but this car is pretty much back to its, you know, pre-bag era. There is some big things happening this year, and this car is part of it. So this is how it sits right now. This needs a wash. We gotta cool it down a little bit, kind of spruce it up a little bit. I did wash it last week and it is clean, but this pollen stuff is going crazy styles. Just put her under a beauty wash, man. I have always been so thankful for the condition of this paint. I mean, it is just so bright, and throughout the whole car, I mean, like, this thing is genuinely in mint condition for its age. It's kind of insane. So yeah, with that being said, I mean, we're kind of done with our de-neglecting it today, and it looks dialed without the front lip and the big front grille. It kind of looks like it's got overbite now. No side skirt extensions, stock looking speed on coilovers and wheels and tires, but it's looking really good now. It doesn't look all silly and all. I'm happy with how it looks. And that's all from me and the MazdaSpeed 3 today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video. Comment down below, like, what is a few things about your car that kind of bug you, but you don't really notice, or like someone wouldn't really notice. I'm really glad to have taken care of everything today. I did this last weekend. It's the next weekend right now, and honestly, the car just looks a little bit better, and it makes me feel better about some things. So it's always good just, you know, have just a clean canvas. Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.